There is a brand new crypto narrative exploding right now and hardly anyone is talking about. It's called X402 and it's being built by Coinbase. Yes, Coinbase, one of the biggest names in crypto. In the last few days, tokens connected to this new system have already 5x. And the most retail investors don't even know it exists. And the best part is, it's not another meme coin meta. This is a completely new layer of crypto infrastructure that could literally become the payment rail for AI agents, bots, and digital economies. So if you're watching this video, congratulations, you are early. Because by the time everyone else figures out what X402 is, the biggest gains will be lost. So let's break down what X402 is, how it works, and how this could be the biggest narrative in crypto space. And before we jump into the technicals, the features, how it actually works, first of all, I want to hype you a little bit more. So let's jump into the CoinGecko because we have top X402 ecosystem projects. And you can see in the past 7 days, some of the projects made 5x, 4x, 2x. So you can see these projects are pumping like crazy. And the most bullish part is when you understand how powerful X402 could be, you'll start to understand that these market caps are still tiny and we are super early because as I mentioned, it's being built by Coinbase, again, the biggest player in crypto. And if it continues to grow at the same trajectory, I think we'll see billions or hundreds of millions of dollars in these market caps, which means 5 or 10x from the price we have today. But now enough about the hype. Let's talk about the functionality and what it actually does. And to do that, we're going to jump into Twitter. This is another reminder to follow my X.com or Twitter account, the link in the description, because usually I'm quicker on X because these videos take some time to edit. So everyone is talking about X402, but few actually understand what it is, basically why I'm doing this video. So just to keep it simple, X402 makes money move through internet-like information, and it revived old technology, HTTP code. So for all the old heads, some of you maybe remember this error code 402 payment required. Basically, they made this code useful for transactions. So when a website or API or AI agent returns this error, 402, it doesn't count as an error. It's actually a price tag for AI agent, API, or for a website. This allows AI agents or again, APIs or websites to pay instantly, get the data, and just move on with the processes. And it doesn't require logins, billing pages, and no humans. And if you've been following AI news, crypto news, this is basically the future we are headed to, where AI agents and AI bots take care of everything. They log into your computer, they do the purchases, they resubscribe, they cancel subscriptions, and X402 makes it possible, again, without logins, billing information, so you don't have to actually put in your card into the system, which is not safe and secure, and allows you to do in a quick and really transparent way. You can see why it matters, because the web is shifting from manual input to automated AI agents, and of course, AI doing almost all the tasks. And you can see right now, AI cannot type card numbers, again, for the safety reasons, it's impossible. Cannot click on PayPal. Of course, you don't want your AI to have credentials to your PayPal account, and also cannot log into the billing portals. And again, this changes the game, and you can see some of the big names that are interested. We have Coinbase, of course, because it's their idea. We have Cloudflare, Google, Visa, and I think also MasterCard. If we're talking about big partners, you can learn even more if we jump into Coinbase, because Coinbase has a full page dedicated for the X402, where you can actually learn about partners and how they plan to move forward. So first of all, you can see it's used by the best, like for example, Circle, AWS, basically Amazon, Chainlink, OpenMind, and Anthropic. You can see even more players. As I mentioned, Visa, MasterCard. These are not small players. These are huge. And why are they shifting to this system? Because we have this comparison next to credit cards, PayPal, or for example, Ethereum. So for example, if we're talking about the fees, for X402, it's almost for free. And of course, if you're talking about credit cards, it's almost 3%, PayPal 3%, and for Ethereum, depending on the gas fees. Next up, the settlement speed. So for X402, it's 2 seconds, which is almost instant. For credit cards, you see your money instantly, but it takes days in the back end. PayPal is instant, and Ethereum 1 to 2 minutes, depending on how many people are using Ethereum network at that time. It doesn't offer chargebacks, and for scalability, it's pretty interesting answer because it offers from hundreds to thousands transactions per second. So from hundreds to thousands, I'm not sure how many, They're not really clear. I hope it's a big number. And we can compare it to Ethereum and also credit card. Of course, credit cards have been for a long time and they're battle tested for thousands of transactions. Again, I will leave all the links in the description. You can actually learn more about the ecosystem, how it's being built. But now let's talk about crypto, hype, and of course, how can we use this hype to make some money? Right now, we have lots of ecosystem tokens. Again, on my tweet, I even shared the main ecosystem projects. We have SDKs, we have infrastructure, we have the chains where it's happening. Of course, Base is the leader because it's being built by Coinbase, but you can see Solana is also here. We have facilitators, we have the call project, which I call it like almost a meme, and we have the agents and apps. So in my opinion, the easiest play could be agents and apps because these are new projects. Usually agents are pretty easy to launch, and this allows us to enter these projects early. So for example, if we jump in back to the CoinGecko, you can see what kind of projects we have. As I mentioned, we have really low cap projects. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel because I plan to do top 5 or maybe top 10 projects I'm purchasing myself in this ecosystem. So yeah, this could be a really important video. And if we're talking about also the hype, I just checked Cointelegraph and you can see they posted 44 minutes ago another article about X402. So as I mentioned, it has all the ingredients to actually become the next big thing in crypto because first of all, Coinbase is backing the project. So Coinbase is the biggest player. Number 2, it actually has utility we need right now. It's actually payments for AI and AI agents, which of course makes sense. Everyone wants that. Next up, they have big partners. Again, Visa, Amazon, Circle. So again, the money is there. And it actually makes sense. If you compare it to credit cards, PayPal, or even like layer ones, it is cheaper, it's faster, and can be all automated by the AI. And the last part is, of course, we need to buy the up-and-coming tokens in this ecosystem. That's why, of course, subscribe, because now I'm going to record the next video about these tokens. So see you next time.